asked him if he noticed. I said, listen boy, I'm focused. I said, me I drink pine and ginger. And mom if you wine pan a thing, I'm gonna play that. Me I drink pine and ginger. And mom if you wine pan a thing, I'm gonna play that. Him have the rum and not the sorrow. Him have to drink away him sorrow. Guess him not care about tomorrow. I guess him not care about tomorrow.
Hi guys, today I'm going to talk to you about Chichen Itza, one of the 7 wonders of the world. So I'm going to take you through everything that we've done. I'm going to take you through my experience. I'm going to take you through from the start, what hotel went through and how we got there, all the way to the end, going back to the hotel. So we stayed at Cancun and we booked with Amstar, who are a travel agent. We paid about 1,500 pesos, which is I think about $78 and about £60. So we went on the 26th of April 2019. So the coach picked us up about 7:30 a.m, which for a holiday it's quite early, but they actually provided us with a continental breakfast, serving croissants, fresh fruits, tea and coffee, which was great. It also came with a tour guide explaining the Mayan history, what they believed in, the kind of artifacts and their kind of values that they had. It was a 2-hour drive. The coach had air conditioning, really comfortable seats, so it weren't too bad actually. And at 7:30 a.m. we caught up with some sleep, to be honest. We made one stop on the way there to kind of have a toilet break and have lunch. They gave us some sandwiches with pulled pork, I think. It also has some shops there where people could buy some souvenirs and so on. We didn't buy anything because we thought we might as well go to Chichen Itza first and see what's there if we're going to buy any souvenirs. We was there for about 20 minutes and then we jumped on back on the coach and made our way there. The good thing about going as a group and paying beforehand and so on is that we was able to just walk straight in. We jumped all the big queues and they supplied us with umbrellas because it was absolutely boiling and the sun was just killing us. And if you sweat as much as I do, the umbrellas really were a blessing in disguise. They really covered the sun and stopped half of my sweat. I still sweated because it was still boiling, but the umbrellas were great. They also split us up into 2 groups, English speakers and Spanish speakers, so that they could potentially just give us the best tour guide. The guys took us everywhere. They were very engaging, teaching us about the Mayan cultures, about their sacrifices, their games, how they calculated time within the day. The tour in itself lasted about an hour to go all the way around for them to explain everything to us, and it was really informative and really good. Afterwards, they allowed us to kind of go around for about 45 minutes. This was a great time to really kind of get some great pictures for the gram and just chill around and take in the culture. One thing that the tour guides also warned us about was called the $1 trick, where all the market sellers will like shout $1 to get your attention so that you can come and think, oh wow, I can buy a souvenir for $1, and kind of then they'll change the price. So beware of that and don't just go to any seller around there. After this, we jumped back on the coach. They gave us some wet towels to put on our heads to cool us down. They gave us some ice drinks. We had a choice of alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks, which was great. At this point, I was very excited to get back into the air-conditioned coach and comfortable seats, to be honest. From then on, we actually made another stop to the cenote. This was included to the trip. Now these are natural pits or sinkholes filled with exposed groundwater. Very, very clear water and absolute beautiful attractions. The particular one that we went to was where the royal Mayan families used to go and kind of play in. If you'd like to see what we got up to there, click the link above and we'll take you through our experience. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope it gave you some insights into what it's like to visit Chichen Itza, one of the 7 wonders of the world. Give this video a like and a subscribe and hope to catch you soon.